Welcome back. Today we'll see installation of Proxmox Backup Server on Proxmox VE as a privileged LXC. So using the helper scripts, I'm changing the option to privileged type and then the set root password in order to access the PVE using SSH. For PBS. Okay, once root password is entered, click OK. Default container identity is prompted. We can set it whatever we want, and then host name. I would give PBS. Set disk size. I'm giving 10 GB, which is the default option. Using the static IP so that we know where we are reaching it in the local network. Enter the gateway IP address or the router address. IPv6, I am choosing none or disabled. I would leave other options as default, blank. Custom tags as per your preference. If we want to access the SSH using external app, you may wish to give SSH authorized key. But I would prefer leaving it blank for now. Enable root SSH access. I'm giving no. Fuse support no. Verbose mode no. Ready to create PBS LXC? Yes. Want to write selections to config file? Yes. Overwrite existing config file? Yes. And now it's creating the Proxmox backup server. Automatically mount all variable WAPI devices? Yes or no? I'm choosing yes. That's useful for WAPI pass-through for LXC container. WAPI usually allows GPU hardware acceleration. That's useful for something like video transcoding in Jellyfin or Plex. So once network is connected, it would go for updating the container OS. The default operating system template used is Debian. Now once it creates, it generates the IP where we need to access. The port number is 8007. Thank you all.